Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everybody. Here a small video about explanation how to calculate the area of a circle. In one of the previous videos you already looked how you need to calculate the circumference of the circle, and today it is the area of the circle. Now let me just repeat the formulas because to calculate the circumference of the circle, it was pi times the diameter. If we look at the area of the circle, it is again with pi, but right here, not multiplying with the diameter, but multiplying with the radius and then to the second power. Now, for example, I have a circle on the an orange circle, and without the length of the diameter, so we're gonna create a diameter here through the center with a diameter of 5 centimeters. All right. Now to calculate the circumference, we need to do pi times the diameter. Now the diameter is 5 centimeters, so pi multiplying with 5 centimeters. Alright, so if you push the 5 in, the pi and the 5 in your calculator, then you get, if I just round it at one decimal place, 15,7 centimeters. Alright, so that's what we learned in the previous video about the circumference. Today we're gonna learn how you can calculate the area of the circle, because the area of the circle was pi times the radius to the second power. Now if the diameter is 2 centimeter, then the radius is the half of the half of 5. This is the radius, so that's 2.5 centimeters. All right. So we need to use the 2.5 here to calculate the area. So you get multiplying with 2.5 to the second power. Now, so pi times 2.5 squared is 19,6, and be aware that we talk about the area, so not centimeter again, but square centimeters. Yeah, so here we just talked about the length, and there we just talk about an area. Yeah, so just to repeat everything, what is the circumference? The circumference is just around the whole circle. That's the circumference of the circle. So a length, that's the reason that it is 15,7 centimeters. And what is an area? That's just this whole circle, that whole thing. Yeah, so that's the reason that we express it in square centimeters. All right, so this is just some information what you need to do the rest of the exercises. So good luck with the exercises.